pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. Smell it. What do you think?
Yummy.
Smell that one. Strawberry.
Strawberry? Yeah, I want to smell this one too. What do you call it?
That one is called lime and kiwi cantaloupe. You like that one?
Yeah. Oh, I'm going to try this one. What do you call this one?
That one's coconut lime. Oh, I'm sorry, cucumber lime.
Cucumber. Ew. Can I smell this one?
Mm-hmm.
What do you call this now?
That one's called Welcome Home. Smell it.
Yeah.
Look at this one. What does this one smell like to you? Tell me. What does that smell like?
What do you call it?
What does it smell like? Tell me what it smells like.
Banana.
Smell it again. Sugar cookie.
Sugar cookie. Yummy. Ew. Doesn't open.